Enough a Great Day Law. You know, each month we'd like to check in with our friend Lawyer Twilley of LA Law for some helpful legal advice.
Yes, who doesn't like free legal advice?
Exactly.
Lawyer the Lawyer, welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, congratulations to your daughter Autumn, because she graduated from UConn and she's going to UConn Law.
She's going to UConn Law.
She's going to be a lawyer like you.
Yeah, so God bless her and help her at the same time.
Thank God you didn't name her lawyer.
I know.
Right?
The confusion.
It would be confusion.
Yes.
All right, so what's going on today?
We've got questions that people, you all have been asking at home. One of them that we got on a Facebook Live recently, and so we're going to answer it. And the question is, I was rear-ended by a semi-truck in stop-and-go traffic on the highway. I saw the truck was equipped with a dash cam. How do I go about getting access to that footage for my insurance claim?
Excellent question.
Excellent question.
Excellent question. So we actually just finished a trial on a semi-tractor trailer truck case on Friday.
Wow.
With the dash cam?
Dash cam footage was a part of the evidence that was submitted, yes.
Okay.
And it was a pain in the butt to get. It took us years to get it. And they'll fight you. They'll try and hide it. They'll try and snip it so that you don't get the full footage. So it's really important to get a lawyer involved right away so that you can preserve
100%. How could you possibly do that on your own?
Yeah, you're not going to be able to do it.
No.
At the end of the day.
That they even looked for a dash cam. I'm not sure that I would have known to look really quick if I got rear-ended, so that's important to know too.
Right. But if you are going to try and do it on your own, you're going to want to do what's called a preservation of evidence letter. You're going to send it to the trucking company. If you have insurance information, you're going to send it to the insurer. If you know, for example, if it was towed to a body shop, you're going to send it everywhere just saying, hey, stop the press, don't touch anything, don't do anything with it. You got to preserve this evidence.
Yeah. Is that a prevalent thing for truckers to have dash cams?
In these days,
In these days, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So many legal obligations and things and insurance and the whole 9 yards.
I mean, look at all these trucking accidents that, you know, are on the news lately. I mean, they happen all the time.
Yeah.
And those are the big ones. There are a lot of minor, smaller ones that they're never small when a tractor trailer is involved, especially if it's another vehicle, but you know, there are no catastrophic deaths, so there are tons of accidents.
Number one, they probably have a dash cam. Number two, you need to preserve the evidence much better to get a lawyer to make sure so that they follow the law.
Correct.
Was this critical for your case? How did it come out?
It did. I think it was I think it was huge for our case for people to understand the significance of the injuries, because the insurance company and the lawyers for the insurance company were saying, oh, it's not, the injuries aren't that bad. They're not, well, I'm thinking fractures are bad.
Yeah,
you know,
that's bad.
Surgeries because of fractures are bad, but they're like, oh, it wasn't that bad. And then we roll the tape and you see them just getting crunched, pushed off into two other vehicles, and I think that was very helpful.
Well, let me ask you a question, though. It seems that, I'm playing devil's advocate here, the trucker has the dash cam. Yeah. It's his private property. How would I be entitled to his private property?
You wouldn't be unless there's pending litigation. So if you anticipate that there's going to be some sort of litigation or claims, you kind of have a duty to preserve that. You're on notice of the potential of having a duty to preserve that.
Okay.
All right? And so then you hire a professional like us to actually preserve it.
What if, I mean, I'm just going to be like, if they know this, do they, are they allowed, do they just go like delete it before you ask, or?
Well, see, here's the situation. Our client didn't hire us until 3 or 4 months after the crash had happened.
That's not good.
And so that's why we had such a difficult time getting our hands on whatever evidence there was. But yeah, listen, at the end of the day, we got a 20-second clip of the dash cam footage, whereas it runs continuously. And this person was giving statements to the police officers at the scene of the crime that we could have, you know, used, and we didn't have that. So if they would have hired us sooner, we would have been able to preserve that evidence.
Right. And again, how much does it cost to hire you?
You know, it's relatively inexpensive. I work on a contingency fee basis.
Which is free.
Which means you're free until I'm able to help you get money.
Get money.
Yeah, so if you don't win, then you don't get owed anything.
Correct.
And what are the statistics? You definitely get more money as an attorney as opposed to going out.
Yeah, there was a study, I don't know, 20 years ago that said 3.5 times, I think it was, or 3.1 times, but we've gotten close to 80 times. So we've had situations where clients have tried to handle it on their own. I had an engineer who's retired, brilliant, tried to handle it on his own, got nowhere, got little offers, hired us, and we got them almost 80 times. It was like 79.5
Well,
times.
there you have it. To get in touch with Lawyer Twilley, you can visit LALawCT.com. You can also follow along on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at Lawyer the Lawyer. Thanks, Lawyer.
Thanks for having me, Scott.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
All right, thanks for being here, everyone. Of course, all of our segments are on Great Day right on WSB.com. Click on Great Day. Have a great day. I'll see you Friday when the news at 4.